Cutting these melamine type products with the table saw, it's sort of like bowling. Career 160 average in 6th grade. So when you bring the ball in and you hit it like this, to get these to knock that way, you need to hit a 3/4 inch spot. But if you put spin on it like that, then the piece gets wider. Just like cutting through melamine. This is ridiculous. But you see it, the blade's down really low. As the blade goes through it, it's almost coming straight into it. If you put the blade of the table saw up really high, now when the blade comes down, it's coming in at almost a 90-degree angle to the table saw, which produces less chipping. Cutting melamine, just like bowling.